she has a rare type of meningioma. In layman's terms, a brain tumor.
Tumor? She has cancer? I stopped fighting when my wife died.
Right now you have a little girl in the hospital who's fighting for her life.
This is one of the riskiest professions in the world. Most of the fighters have nothing to lose, everything to prove. These are 21st century gladiators. They want two things: money and fame. And they'll kill to get it.
Your insurance doesn't cover this surgery in children.
The winner gets $300,000.
Who I have to fight?
Zulu.
Zulu.
Make no mistake, this is a blood sport.
There's a lot of big money being bet on Mima.
I'm scared, really scared.
If we go down, you go down.
You have to trust me.
Neither one of these fighters is going to take a dive.
I think you're making a mistake.
This is mixed martial arts, underground.
You're gonna get yourself killed trying to save your daughter.
I'm not afraid of Zulu. I'm afraid of losing.